Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most asked questions I get: what are the best ways to master any programming language as a beginner? Whether you're looking to break into the tech industry or simply want to learn a new skill, mastering a programming language can seem daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. 1. Start with the basics. The first step in mastering any programming language is to build a strong foundation. Begin by understanding the basic concepts of programming. This includes variables, data types, control structures like loops and conditionals, and basic syntax. Most languages have similar foundational concepts, so mastering these basics will help you as you move on to more complex topics. Tip: use beginner-friendly resources such as free online tutorials, coding bootcamps, or introductory books. Websites like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and Coursera offer excellent courses that cater to beginners. 2. Practice, practice, practice. Programming is a skill best learned by doing. Once you understand the basics, start writing code. Work on small projects that interest you. This could be as simple as a calculator app or a basic to-do list. The key is to apply what you've learned and get comfortable with the syntax and structure of the language. Tip: websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeWars provide coding challenges that can help you practice and improve your skills. Start with easy problems and gradually move to more difficult ones. 3. Build real projects. As you become more comfortable with the basics, start building more complex projects. This will not only reinforce your knowledge but also teach you how to think like a programmer. Real projects require problem solving and critical thinking, which are essential skills in programming. Tip: try building a personal blog, a portfolio website, or a simple game. Open source projects on GitHub can also provide great learning opportunities. Contributing to these projects allows you to see how larger code bases are structured and maintained. 4. Understand the documentation. Every programming language comes with its official documentation. Learning to read and understand this documentation is crucial. It contains all the information you need about the language's features, functions, and libraries. Tip: make it a habit to refer to the official documentation whenever you're stuck or need to learn about a new feature. Sites like MDN Web Docs for JavaScript or the Python documentation are invaluable resources. 5. Join a community. Programming can sometimes be a lonely journey, but it doesn't have to be. Joining a community of learners and experienced programmers can provide support, motivation, and valuable insights. Communities can be found on platforms like Reddit, Stack Overflow, and Discord. Tip: participate in coding forums, attend local meetups, or join online groups. Engaging with others can help you stay motivated and can provide answers to questions you might have. 6. Debugging and problem solving. Learning to debug your code is an essential part of becoming a good programmer. When you encounter errors, take the time to understand what went wrong and why. This will help you develop problem-solving skills, which are critical in programming. Tip: use debugging tools and techniques such as printing out variables, using breakpoints, or leveraging the built-in debugger in your IDE. Stack Overflow is a great place to find solutions to common problems. 7. Learn the ecosystem. Every programming language has its ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools. Learning about these can significantly enhance your productivity and capabilities. For example, if you're learning Python, familiarize yourself with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Flask. Tip: start with the most commonly used libraries and frameworks in your chosen language. Build small projects using these tools to understand their usage and benefits. 8. Keep learning and stay updated. The tech world is constantly evolving, and new tools and best practices are always emerging. To stay relevant, you need to keep learning and updating your skills. Tip: follow tech blogs, subscribe to YouTube channels like this one, and take advanced courses as you progress. Engage with the latest trends and technologies in the programming world. Mastering a programming language is a journey that requires dedication, practice, and continuous learning. Start with the basics, build real projects, engage with the community, and always strive to improve your problem-solving skills. Remember, the more you code, the better you'll get. So keep coding, stay curious, and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tips and tutorials. Happy coding!